Hello, I'm here to talk about this Ralph Lauren Deep Blue perfume from Polo brand. And it was a sample size, and as you can see, I used 98, 95, 98% of it up. And just a tiny little bit left. It smells really good. I really enjoyed this. It definitely has the traditional Polo scent that some of us might be familiar with. It's a musky, semi-sweet, yeah, I would say musky and sweet are the two like scents. Maybe a very slight spice smell, but mostly I would say musky, sweet, and then maybe a hint of spice. It is very nice. I really have been enjoying it. I have been spraying this on me before I start my day, and yeah, I really like this. I would definitely continue to use this product. I would recommend it to others who enjoy a musky, sweet fragrance. And I'll link it below because I know you can find this online. If you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not tried this before, do you typically like scents and perfumes that are musky, that are in the musky range? For me, it really depends on what other scents are with that musk and what level of musk is going on. But yeah, I'd say I'm a musk fan. Let me know about you. Do you enjoy the scent of musk? Down below. Thank you for watching this video.